Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play with Amiibo on Super Smash Bros. First, navigate to the Games and More section from the main menu. Then, select the Amiibo option. You will be prompted to place your Amiibo figure on the NFC touchpoint of your controller. After scanning, you can register a unique nickname and assign a fighter spirit to your new companion. This initial setup takes just a few moments. To train your Amiibo, simply engage it in battles. The more it fights, the more it learns and develops its own unique fighting style. You can fight against your Amiibo directly to teach it specific moves and tactics. Experiment with various characters and stages to expose it to diverse combat scenarios. Your Amiibo will adapt and improve significantly over many matches. Customizing your Amiibo involves feeding it spirits. These spirits enhance its attack, defense, and speed attributes, making it a more formidable opponent. You can equip both primary and support spirits to create unique and powerful builds tailored to your preferences. If you ever wish to restart its training journey, you can easily reset your Amiibo's data. Once trained, your Amiibo can participate in various battles, either fighting alongside you or as an opponent. You can bring your Amiibo into standard Smash battles or even competitive tournaments. As it gains experience, your Amiibo can reach level 50, becoming an incredibly strong and strategic fighter. Enjoy the unique experience of watching your digital companion evolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.